Pepe is getting his own layer 2 blockchain. Guys, this could be one of the biggest coins that we have seen in a very long time. We're going to be talking about it in this video because if you haven't seen Pepe Unchained yet, you need to check this out for multiple reasons. Number one, clearly it takes advantage of the Pepe style meme, and a lot of people, you know what Pepe did, right? Going from 30,000 to literally over $1 billion, I believe in 19 days. The capital gains there were ridiculous. But yeah, you can see him on the right-hand side of the screen right now. It's alluding to 19,000 plus % interest if you were willing to get in and stake this early. Let's talk about Pepe Unchained, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now, and that is exactly what we are going over. Now, first and foremost, if you find yourself interested in buying anytime during this video, please utilize the link in the description below. You're going to pull up this website right here, you're going to connect your wallet, and you're going to grab your bag of Pepe Unchained. So first, let's talk about what it is. It is now, Pepe now has his own blockchain. Congratulations, you are early to the party. Buy and stake now during the pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. So before I even jump in how to buy, I want to show you guys these staking rewards. Look at this. 19,605% interest. Now, clearly, you are brand new to the game, and this token is brand new, and you are early, and you're one of the first, and that's why this number is so high. But if you want to take advantage of this for the next couple of days, or if it starts off really slowly here for the next couple of weeks, if you want to take advantage of this ridiculous number, you've got to buy in, and you've got to stake very, very early. Guys, 8,161,000 Pepu, or Pepe Unchained, have been staked so far. That's why you're receiving 19,605% on an annualized basis. Now, of course, that rate is dynamic, though. So the more people that stake, the more that number is going to go down because you're going to be splitting those rewards with more and more people. So if you want to buy in, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, connect your wallet. Once you figure out how you want to connect your wallet, Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, you're simply going to come over and decide how much you want to buy. Guys, 5 Ethereum is going to let you walk away with, check this number out, 2,158,375 Pepe Unchained. From there, you're going to be earning 19,605% interest on it. You are going to be able to stack so much Pepe Unchained. It's going to be ridiculous. Now, what are the benefits of a layer 2 blockchain? You're going to have, or the benefits, I guess, well, the benefits of layer 2 blockchain, let's just go through that first. It is much faster and more efficient than the layer 1. Pepe Unchained here is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and therefore it is a layer 2 solution on the Ethereum blockchain. Think of something very similar to, Shibarium, Shiba Inu Coin's layer 2 blockchain, or in most cases, Bones, layer 2 blockchain. But Pepe Unchained here is going to have the safety and security of the Ethereum network, but it's going to have the efficiency and speed of a layer 2 blockchain. The way that I like to think about it, layer 1's the Ethereum blockchain is like the interstate. Okay, but then when you build layer 2 blockchains, layer 3, when you start to go above and beyond, you relieve all of the congestion of the layer 1, you have the security of it, but you get the speed and efficiency of a brand new blockchain. Now, knowing that, let's take a look at some of the benefits here. You're going to have instant bridging between Ethereum and the Pepe chain. Guys, that's incredible because the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team, they take 7 days to bridge back and forth. These guys are instant. Lowest transaction fees on the market, higher volume, 100 times faster than the Ethereum blockchain, and a dedicated block explorer. Now, I don't know what it's going to be called, but very similar to Shibarium Scan, you're going to be able to see all of the transactions that take place on this Pepe Unchained blockchain here. So let's go through and see a little bit more about what these guys are doing. Pepe Unchained is the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, meme coins. Pepu, or Pepe Unchained, powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness the new golden age of meme coins with Pepe in its rightful place as king, and the Pepe Unchained layer 2 blockchain, his kingdom. Earn insane rewards, and you guys just saw those rewards that you can earn, 19,000+%. Guys, think about that. Now, it's not going to last forever, so you're going to have to get in very quickly if you want those gains. Now, moving on from here, you can see it's very, very easy to buy. 3-step process. Create your MetaMask wallet if you don't have one already. Load it with crypto, and simply buy and stake your Pepe, or simply buy your Pepe if you would like. So you're going to be able to buy it with Ethereum, USDT, or on the BNB blockchain if you would like. Moving on from there, you can see that 20% of the tokens are set aside for the pre-sale, 30% for those ridiculous gains on your staking rewards, 20% for marketing, 10% for liquidity, 10% to project finance, and 10% for chain inventory. Moving on, after the tokenomics, you guys can see their roadmap. Number 1, make Pepe great again. The time has come for Pepe to take a giant leap to his ultra-based future. Inseminating the world with Layer 2 technology, Pepe Unchained becomes an absolute gigabrain. He's now ready to release his rewards. Coin eruption with Layer 2 technology and a burning desire in his loins. Pepe Unchained erupts during the presale, offering double the staking rewards. It's an explosion of Pepe juice all over the blockchain. Pepe Unchained ecosystem, guys. Pepe Unchained is more than a meme coin. It's an entire blockchain ecosystem. They are building a Layer 2. So think about Bone. Right? Bone is the token for the Layer 2 Shiba Inu coin, I guess, ecosystem out there. Pepe Unchained is taking on a whole new approach with Layer 2 solutions for meme coins. And please, anytime you guys ever buy into a coin, get your questions answered first. So if you guys are interested in what it is, we already talked about it. We talked about what Layer 2 blockchains are, the benefits of Layer 2 blockchains, and this one I always see. When can you claim your tokens? Your Pepe Unchained tokens are going to be claimable once the pre-sale is finished and the token is launched. At this stage, you're going to reconnect the wallet you used to buy or buy and stake, and then click claim. It is that easy. So if you guys are jumping in with 5 Ethereum, remember you're going to be walking away with 2.15 million Pepe Unchained, and you are going to be earning a ridiculous 19,605% annualized staking rewards. You've got to act fast if you want that staking reward right there, and it is going to be able to provide you with a lot of Pepe Unchained in a very, very quick time frame. So take advantage of it while it's brand new. Go follow their X account. You guys can see how new they are here. 1.2 thousand followers, and they've already done $224,000 in sales just in the first few hours of the pre-sale. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.